And you can tell how bored I am. There's another recipe for you. Make your own Christmas pudding. I've been doing mine every year for years, and it's from the book I wrote and published with 100-year-old recipes called Lily Longman's Handbook. Anyone who remembers Little Al, my friend, this was his great-great-grandmum. Anyway, it's a nice easy recipe, not any E numbers in it like that commercially bought muck, and so I think you'll find it very simple. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button, you can find it. Nice to talk to you again. So here's how to make your own Christmas pudding loaded with alcohol, as all of my food tends to be if it's called for. Thank you for watching and enjoy. You know, so much easier to get all your ingredients ready first. So we've got 8 ounces of dried fruit, 3 ounces of chopped prunes. I use tin prunes, by the way, so they're a little bit mushy. Do take the stones out. 1 ounce of mixed peel, although I like mixed peel, so I'm putting a bit extra in. But 1 ounce is the official measurement. 3 ounces of chopped apple. I'm doing mine last minute so it doesn't go brown. 4 ounces self-raising powder. Don't forget to sieve it when you put it into the bowl, mixing bowl. Altogether here, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, ½ teaspoon of nutmeg and ¼ teaspoon of salt. 4 ounces brown breadcrumbs. 5 ounces of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of black treacle, although I put in a tablespoon. 3 eggs. 4 ounces of shredded suet. Yum yum. And this is the part I like best. Brandy. Also, I always put half a tin of Guinness in, but as it's out of season, everywhere's closed with lockdown, I can't get any Guinness. Our next job is to get the mixing bowl and pour in all the dry ingredients, just the dry ones. So here goes sugar, flour, dried fruit, dried fruit, dried fruit, breadcrumbs, mixed peel, spices, suet, the treacle, the eggs and the prunes we will put in tomorrow, because we're going to put the brandy in now and cover the bowl and leave it overnight. Yummy, yummy, yummy. When you put all the ingredients in, the dry ones, mix it well. Now that was a bit dry because I didn't have any Guinness, so I put in a little bit of red wine. God knows what it'll taste like, but you've got to play with things, don't be shy. We'll see. I'm covering this now and leaving it until tomorrow to marinate. Okay, this has been marinating all night. I'm now going to put in the wet items, the prawns, eggs and black treacle. Now we've got to mix this well in. No mucking about, mix it well. There you go, mixed well. I'm now going to put this into bowls ready for steaming. We steam for about 4 hours or so. Grease this bowl with butter, nice and thick. so the mix doesn't stick. Fill up the bowl to the top and then cover it with greaseproof paper. Like so. Now we have to cover it with a nice clean tea towel, ready to pop into the steamer. And that's it for about 4 hours. See how it goes. And there we are, I've just turned it out. I'll put some icing sugar on it when it's cool. And that's my Corfual Christmas pudding from the Longman's Handbook. I put that in a nice tin, covered in cling wrap at first. And that'll keep till Christmas. Lovely jubbly. And something to do during lockdown, guys. Why not? Bye for now. Bye. Cheers.